William and Vicky are married. William buys sports stuff. Vicky goes to the OBGYN. Vicky is pregnant. Vicky has a kid. Vicky buys baby stuff. Will buys a computer. Bill goes to summer camp. Vicky and William go to marriage counseling. William goes to drug rehab because he smokes a lot. William buys a car for Bill. William goes to the medical center and finds out he has lung cancer. Bill buys formal wear. William goes to the medical center again. Vicky goes to the medical center. William finds out he is dying. William buys land for Bill. William dies.